Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar bears emerged overnight and sent the currency on a downward journey, easing the upside pressure and now looks for the grand challenge of 78.30.35. Yesterday, China's data released from its CPI came out on forecast at 1.6. However, the September producer price index was better than estimated and it came in from 6.3 to 6.9, increasing on the year. The quality of the technical indicators are somewhat weak, and I do feel from the pattern we are looking, as I mentioned, towards the downside and looking at 78.30. A break beneath there would give further scope and bring in a target of 77.80 to 77.20 as the broader objective. With the euro relatively unchanged in the last 24 hours, the market still continues to float around the 118 handle. Overall, I do expect to see the market take on the challenge of 117.50 and eventually lower down towards 116.80 to 116.20.30. Tonight, the ECB President Draghi will be giving a speech in Frankfurt and the market will be looking closely to his comments. Also to note, the dollar index did recover back above 93 and now looks further to the upside with the expectations to eventually reach a target of 93.80 and the support holds at 92.40. Any advances for the euro towards 118.45 to 118.90, I still expect to see good supply to return. Well, the dollar yen came through as I was looking for from 111.60. The rebound has now set up a challenge towards the top side and looking towards 112.45 to 55, with further scope seen to 113.25.30. It is viewed that from a technical point, the market should continue on its pattern to the upside, and for those trading long, should lift stops accordingly just in case we get a surprise decline. The market has backed away slightly from the top side and now looks towards a 132.30 support. Today we do have the Bank of England, Mark Carney, who is going to appear at the Treasury Select Committee in London. The market will react to any hawkish comments which are expected from the Governor's speech today. Overall, I expect to see the market to rally on towards 133 to 135 and with any dip still from the strategy point as an opportunity to buy. Gold slipped slightly overnight away from the 1,300 handle and now looks towards the support of 1,289 to 91. It is still viewed that the fact that the market should still continue on to a target of 1,309 to 13. Any weakness, as I mentioned, should find a base around 89.91. The geopolitical risks still remain high after North Korea warned countries at the United Nations on Monday in a statement saying don't join the United States in military action against the Asian state and you will be safe from any retaliation. As long as one does not take part in the US military action against North Korea, we have no intention to use or threaten to use nuclear weapons against any other country. So with the geopolitical risk still remaining, I still believe that gold will be a safe haven currency. And to wrap up with oil, the market still looks to my target of $53 a barrel and reassess from there. What has pretty much strengthened the oil rally overnight was conflict between Iraq and the Kurdish forces, which broke out in the oil-rich country of Iraq, raising concerns over supply disruptions in the region. While the fundamentals and also the technical support further gains, I still hold my view up towards $53. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead.